What's up? You know, in the building with the kid, Big Row. And this is my youngest son, Jay. Say hello, Jay.
Hello.
Hello. How was your day?
Fine.
What you do?
Nothing.
You did do something. You ain't do nothing today.
Just had to go to the movies.
What'd you see? What did we see?
Chronicle.
Chronicles. Y'all made me watch that movie. Did you like it?
Kinda.
Kinda. Or did you not like it?
Mm,
So let's give a movie review for Chronicle. Because there might be people out there that want to go see that movie, but they're not really sure if they really want to spend the money. What you think you should tell them? Should they go watch that movie?
I don't know.
You know what you think. I can't tell you what you think. What you think?
No, because it was very short.
It was short. What movie you was in? I remember sitting there for almost an hour and a half.
Something short.
So what happened in the movie that you remember?
Somebody got powers. A boy who had powers died in thunder. The other boy went crazy. Then he died. There was only one boy left who got powers.
There you have it. Well, Chronicle, it was pretty, to me, it was more like the movie Jumper. If you ever seen the movie Jumper, you know what Chronicle is about. Um, they go into a tunnel. I mean, this hole in the ground. And it's like these rays, and then it blows up, explodes, and they come out with these powers they can't explain. They can gravitate off the ground and move things and fly and all of this stuff. And one of the boys are like really, he goes through a hard time. His mother's dying. His dad is like a retired or laid off firefighter who beats him up and abuses him. Are you checking out your dental plan? The
No.
camera son. Yes, you are. I see you. Are you tired?
No, not that much.
Not that much. You full.
Yeah.
You just ate again for the sake of time. So, Chronicle was okay. We had a pretty full day. The movies, out to eat. What all did you eat today? You ate everything.
Nachos,
Chocolate covered what?
chocolate covered strawberries, and marshmallows, and Rice Krispie cheese, and ice cream, and broccoli. And
Tell all the little kids that might be watching this video, what must you eat before you can have sweets?
string beans or broccoli, or
Or
anything that's vegetables.
anything anything that's vegetables, but anything that's what?
Green.
Green, right. Green vegetables are the best vegetables. And eating good vegetables make you grow up strong. That's what's up. So this is our little jokester. How does it feel being a baby boy? Do you think they pick on you all the time?
No.
They do?
No.
No, they don't? Why? Because you pick on them too, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, you being honest. I like the camera. The camera makes you honest. All right, so that was our interview with gentleman Jedekiah. So you know you're not the youngest. Sheba is actually the youngest in the house.
I know.
Do you like having Sheba here?
Yeah.
She don't listen to anybody.
Yeah, she does.
She's kind of like out of hand. Sheba's out of hand. She's off the Richter. We're going to donate Sheba to the animal shelter. It's not funny. I'm serious. Say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye.
Say it again.
Goodbye.
Say it again.
Goodbye.
All right. This has been the Kid Big Row, and this has been Jay. Say bye, Jay.
Bye.
He's pretty tired. He doesn't want to admit it. We've had a long day. So we'll catch you guys later. Peace. Say peace. Peace. Peace up. Peace sideways. Peace out. What you smiling for? All right. You're in the building with the kid, Big Row. And this young gentleman behind me is...
Carol Gibson.
It's a Gil Gibson. You want everybody to know your full name? He's going to be a star. You just told him. All right. So we did a random peek of some questions. So we gave him 5 questions. And he has no clue what the 5 questions are until he flips these index cards over. So you want to go ahead and read the first question?
How does it feel to have gay parents?
Okay, so you got to answer the question. How does it feel to have gay parents? You don't know. You have two moms. You don't know how it feels?
I don't know.
You don't care? Okay. You don't know. It doesn't feel different for you? You say yeah?
I say it don't matter.
It doesn't matter? Okay, so question number 2. What's question number 2? Go to question number 2.
Do your friends treat you because you have 2 moms? They don't know.
They don't know? None of your friends know that you have 2 moms? They don't know. Why the hell come they don't know? This is Sheba. Say hi, Sheba. Don't be bad. So your friends don't know. Okay. So your friends that do know, what do they think?
They don't.
They don't know. Okay, so are you embarrassed for your friends to know? Or they just don't know?
No.
Okay. So question number 3. Sheba, say hi. You say hi? Question number 3.
Who is more strict, mommy or papa?
You don't know who's more strict? Or you just don't want to answer that question on camera?
I'm not answering it.
You're not answering it? Okay. That's cool. So question number 4. I believe it's question number 4.
You keep. That's question number 5.
Oh, question number 5.
Do kids with the same sex parents want to be gay because their parents are, or do you think it's their choice? It's their choice.
Yeah. So we have Sheba here who's becoming really combative. You see her nails coming out? So what do you think about Sheba? Are you glad you have Sheba? Does Sheba listen to you? No. Who does Sheba listen to?
Nobody.
Nobody. You hear that, Sheba? You listen to nobody. How old are you, Sheba? Sheba. That hurt. How old are you, Sheba? Sheba, how old are you? Sheba. How old is Sheba, Kill?
1.
No, she's like 2. Okay, get down, because you're about to act stupid. Okay, so that was my interview with ThaKidd. We're about to ask ThaKidd some real questions. So, on to the juicy questions. Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
No? You don't have any people you want to be your Valentine's? Do you have a Valentine? No Valentine? Do you like the girls at your school? What?
Told you what.
Because they, you don't want me to say it. Okay. So, do you prefer African American girls, Chinese girls, Korean girls, Caucasian females. You smiling? You gotta answer the question.
Caucasian.
Caucasian. Is it that you got more in common with them when you get along better with them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
They like me more.
they like you more. Why you think that is? Cause you're pretty reserved.
I don't know what that means.
Reserved. It's like laid back, not rowdy.
Well, we got the same stuff in common.
Oh yeah. What kind of music you listen to?
Rock, pop, and a little hip hop.
In the little hip hop. Who's on your iPod right now?
Who?
Who's on your iPod? What type of music is on your iPod right now?
Paramore, Linkin Park, and 3 Days Grace.
So you have a diverse selection of music. Do you think African American girls know who Linkin Park and Paramore is?
Some of them.
Some of them. Okay. So how do you feel about being a big brother?
Mm.
What is that? I don't know what that means. Is it good? Is it bad sometimes? Does it have its perks?
We got his first.
So, would you, when you get older, do you want to have one kid or two? If you have one kid, then your kid might be lonely. But if you have two kids, then one of them are going to be an older sibling, like your older sibling. What are going to be the perks for them?
I don't know.
You don't really care, do
About
you?
what?
About having perks, about being the older kid. Okay, so this has been the Kid Big Row, and
Yeah.
he don't want to tell you his last name this time. And we are out. Oh, and the young lady that was in the video, that was Sheba. She got ghosts though, so don't matter. She don't listen to nobody.